Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic, as you must have noted from the caption itself, I'm going to talk all about my collection of all the face masks that I have been using for quite some time, and what I feel about that, what are my likes and dislikes about each of it, and every details of that. So stay tuned till the end of the video to know all the details of it. And also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. So let's begin with the video. So today's video, as you can already see, I have here 5 face masks. All of these are ready-made, like some are powdered, some are ready-made masks. So these 3 are powdered masks, these 2 are ready-made masks. So I have just divided it like that. And so I have been using all of it for quite some time, at least like 6 months for all of it, like individually also. Some of it, like for example, this I got like quite some time back. Even this one I was using, like I think I started using it long back, but this has been my recent addition. Even this too has been like, this has been my very recent addition, and this was just prior to that. And okay, if I tell the sequence, so this is the I think this is the first one that I started using. Then came this one. After that I started using this Vedantika mask, and then this one, and my recent addition has been this Oriflame one. So now going to my details about all of it, let me start with the Oriflame mask. So this is the Oriflame Optimals Moisture Quenching Face Mask. So this mask actually comes in a tub like this, and it has a very gel kind of a texture. I'll show you the texture. It has a very gel kind of a texture. I actually am loving this mask. It has a very mild smell. So just a disclaimer, I am normal to combination skin type. So I am loving this face mask because it's like you just put it all over your mask, like a thick layer of all your face for just 5 to 10 minutes or maximum 15 minutes. It will get absorbed to your skin and it will give you an immense boost of hydration. So some days when you feel that your skin is really dehydrated and stuff, this mask is like amazing. So it's not that I use this mask on a very regular basis, maybe once in a week or once in 2 weeks, but that whenever I feel like my skin needs hydration, this mask like is amazing. It is a little on the higher price side. It is 699 rupees, but then trust me, it's worth the price, and it has not given me any breakouts, nothing. It is very mildly the smell is very mild, and also like the texture of it is very good. It gets absorbed to the skin like really fast. So a big thumbs up for this one. Next, coming to my next ready-made mask, which is this Innisfree Volcanic Super Pore Clay Mask. So this is like, I have bought it like quite long back. It comes in again a tub of 100 ml, and again I forgot the price of it. So can't really find the price written here. Mostly it came in a box in which the price was written. So this I got over completely with this, so I don't have really anything left inside it to show you. So this is like a white colored mud pack kind of, but it has like small dots in it. So once you apply it, it gets dried in like 15-20 minutes, and then once you wash it off, it is like you can just scrub it because it has those bits in it. So this acts both as a scrubber, a cum mask for me at least. Again, for a normal to combination skin, it completely, it kind of deep cleanses the skin. And as far as I believe, for 100 ml this jar, it was a little on the higher price side, but again it was worth the money. But also this is not one which you will be able to use on a very regular basis, because it has those bits, and it will be like a little exfoliating kind of a thing when you wash it off. So this also, if you want, you can try it, but not like a great fan of it, but also I don't dislike it. Okay, so this was my only two, like the second and the last actually ready-made mask. The rest three which I'll be talking about are the powdered masks. So one of my most favorite powdered mask lately has been this Vedantika Radiant Face Fit, and you can see how I have used almost it's also on the verge of ending. I almost use it like at least twice in a week. This is like a mud, it is like a powdered mask which you have to mix it with either curd or rose water or plain water or milk, like according to whatever your skin demands or whatever you feel like it should be doing. Because whenever I feel like my skin is tanned and all, I would mix curd. Whenever I feel like I just need to remove the excess oil, I'll mix water, and likewise. So whatever my skin demands, on basis of that I use it. So this has a very Ayurvedic kind of a smell, a little on the stronger side. So I don't have a very sensitive nose, so it's completely fine for me. But I'm not very sure about the people with a very sensitive nose. Otherwise it's completely fine. But again, this also has like granulated particles which you won't feel while you are applying the mask. But when you are washing it off, you can like clear off, we can mix it with the water and like you can scrub it off when you're washing it. It also kind of deep cleanses your skin. It makes you get rid of all the oil, dirt or anything that was there in your skin. It is priced at ₹599, but it went on for quite long time, and using like one small spoon of it would last you for like one full face, and that way it lasted almost like, I think I got it around the month of October, and it's still this much remaining in spite of me being constantly using it at least like twice a week. So yeah, I love this face mask. A big thumbs up for this one. The second one, which is also a little recent only, so this is the one I got from Smitten. This is the Sheer Secrets mask. This is the Green Intense Repair mask, which is again like it's a powdered mask. It is like this. It's green in color. It will have to be mixed with water or curd or milk. I generally prefer mixing this with water. This again, it is very fine. It is not granulated. It won't do any kind of scrubbing effect. So you can also, if you want to apply, you can apply this mask on a regular basis. I mean, when I say regular, it's like a daily basis also you can apply. So this is again priced at 612 rupees, and I think it is worth the money considering the facts very similar to the Vedantika mask. It also goes along a long way. So again, a big thumbs up for this one. My last powdered mask, which I'm a bit disappointed, so I'll tell you what it is, like for my reasons of it. So this is a Good Vibes Red Clay powder. Okay, I was actually, maybe it's me that I didn't end up liking red clay because it stains your clothes. It even this if I like, it's a mud mask. Basically it's a mud mask. You see, it's a mud. It needs to be mixed with either milk or whatever, water or curd, whatever, and then has to be applied. So it's very similar to Multani Mitti. The effect it gives also is like Multani Mitti. It is very reasonably priced. Okay, okay, so it is just 115 rupees, so which is very reasonable for a 40 gram mask. But the only problem is that it not only when you're washing it will stain your clothes, but also I have seen like after using it, when I'm toning my skin, I can see that red tint in the cotton pad while I am toning my using my toner, which I really don't end up. And that's why, even though I got it like I got it from Purple like quite long time back, like around September or something last year, but still it's almost like unused. So possibly I'm the person who is not liking red clay because of this color thing. Otherwise, of course, if you are not like me who does not really mind about the clay thing, you can definitely go for it. It is a very budget friendly one and acts very similar to Multani Mitti. Good to go for regular usage and good on the budget. So yeah, that was all about what all masks I have and what all I have been using. So as I told you already, what are my favorites and stuff. So yeah, let me know what all mask that you all have been using and which one is your favorite mask. And also, if you have some mask which is really something that I should be trying, please do let me know in the comment section below. And also, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please to subscribe and also give a thumbs up by the end of this video if you genuinely like it. So bye bye, thank you, take care, stay well.